Yo, what is going on, buddy? Crypto Kid here, coming at you guys again with another video, guys. It's been a long time since we recorded our last video, but honestly, this has just been on my chest. Like, I've been looking up other crypto YouTubers, and I'm just seeing all these thumbnails about like, oh, Bitcoin alert breakout confirmed, Terra Luna pump cannot be stopped, on an altcoin daily. And I don't mean to rag on these guys, but just some of these titles are just so misleading. Insane move is near, big change is happening, crypto holders can't believe this is happening, stuff like that. I just hate those titles. I end up just wasting my time on their videos, and I'm just like, I just got to start making videos again for these people. So I'm back. I'm going to be doing a heck ton of research, guys, as much as I can. Make sure I'm giving you guys the best, most up-to-date information. So just be sure to look out. 2022 is the year. We're going crazy. We're taking this thing to the next level. Going to be looking to upgrade the studio and just everything about this channel. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned for the videos to come. We're going to be trying to make a lot of money in 2022, going into 2023. And I have big plans, guys. Huge plans. I'm just really excited. I think I kind of have a solid thumb on where things are going with crypto right now, and I just really want to share that with all of you. And then hopefully we can all be really successful in the following, 3 to 5 years and whatnot. So moving on, guys, this video today is about farm harvest finance. So this is one, if you guys have been on the channel for a while, I have talked about so much, and it's one of my favorite projects, not because of the actual company, but because of the fact that this thing gets pumped to oblivion for no apparent reason at all the time. So I'm going to take you over to Coinbase because I want to show you this from the perspective of a retail investor. So just know this is a pump and up, guys. There's been no major news that's gone on. They had a small thing with Jarvis Network where they opened up a vault on Harvest Finance, and then it's solid. I mean, Harvest Finance, guys, you basically just are able to earn like massive amounts of interest by locking your money into like different vaults. The website interface itself is kind of confusing. If you guys want to check it out for yourself, just go on harvestfinance.com. But I mean, this guy right here, apparently he put $1,000 into this Jarvis vault, and I guess he ended up making a solid amount. He made like $6, more than $6 that week. So I mean, that's not horrible, but this is not a $150 million project quite yet. You never know. They might pivot. They might start doing better. But at the moment, there's just no reason for this one to be going crazy. But as you can see, the views are up almost 3 million%. AKA, people are logging onto Coinbase and they're seeing, oh shoot, the whole market's going down, but oh my, wait, Harvest Finance is up 108% today. Who knows? I mean, it's gone up for a couple days in a row. Maybe I should buy some here. And I know this because I've literally like all my friends know that I trade crypto. And some of them might be even watching this right now. And they come to me and they're like, oh, should I buy farm? Should I buy Harvest Finance? And I'm just like, no. Like, what do you know about the technology? What do you know about the company? You don't know anything. And I don't say that in like a demeaning way or anything, but the reality is the average retail investor is not doing their work in their research. They're just seeing, oh, what's doing well? Maybe I'll just throw my money in this one and get lucky. And that's worked in the past. It has, and a lot of people. I mean, you can't really deny that. And a lot of people have been successful with that, but a lot of them end up losing that money right after because they're thinking that they're a genius for just looking at a random coin, investing in it. So that's obviously not the way to invest. You want to do the things the safe way, we're all in crypto, so there is really no safe way, but as safe as possible. You don't want to just be throwing your money around. And what's going on with Harvest is that a bunch of people with deep pockets came and they're like, let's go ahead and let's find a coin with a large circulating supply. So as you can see, 95% of farm tokens are already released, aka there's not going to be a random minting of a bunch of farm coins. There's not going to be anyone that has 50% of the supply that's just going to dump the coin and it's going to just get rocketed down and a bunch of people are going to lose money. No, this one is easy to manipulate. A lot of the supply is already on the market, so you can kind of trust it for that. And so a bunch of people called their buddies and they're like, hey, make sure you start loading up on your on farm. It hasn't really done anything in a while. We're going to pump this thing, and then, once it gets pumped, that's when all this money floods in. And guess what? Sometime in the next week, probably, could even be tomorrow, this thing is going to dump. And, that's when all those people, they're secretly, the guys, they're taking their gains right now. They're all taking their gains right now. They're loving this. They're eating this up. We're literally just, This is reverse Robin Hood right now. We're taking from the poor or from the middle class. We're giving it to the rich people that are just pumping dumping this right now. So this is one. Just don't donate your money to the rich guys. Do not get involved in farm right now. If this is a project you want to get into, I think it's an interesting project. You can go ahead and you can wait for the next rally. They really do. These spikes happen all the time. But at the moment, this just isn't one that you want to get involved in because it's too risky. Now, even if this one might do, who knows? It might go to $400, $500, might do something crazy. It might dump tomorrow. That's not a risk you want to take in crypto. You might as well just go and gamble on your favorite sports team because it's silly. You don't know where it's going. And at this point, it's way overpriced compared to the rest of the market. So this is not one that I love at the moment, but if you want to, find yourself a position next time that this thing goes idle and no one's trading it, like sometime in this would be a great time to just start buying some up. Then yeah, go right ahead, buy farm for $90 to $100, and then try to sell it next time this thing pumps because it will pump again, and you can make 50% overnight. So, but this is not the time to do it, guys. I'm definitely advising you to stay away from this one for now. It's simply just too much at once. So, I mean, obviously we got a big complicated chart here. Like I don't even want to bring this up. I love how clean the Coinbase chart and CoinMarketCap charts are. So just not as much stuff, but I'm borrowing this from a buddy right here, this TradingView account, just looking into it. And you can see we're down here, $96. That first day, we wicked up to like around $135. Ended up closing at 117, and then, people got excited. So this is probably the initial buyers and everything. And then, boom, we see a massive rise. And then today, it did go down a little bit, but it actually ended up, we wicked again to 290. So we almost hit $300 today, and now we're kind of holding, deciding where we're going to go. And so this is what I'm talking about, guys. We have no idea if it's going to shoot up or down, and I personally do not want to be taking that risk with my money at the moment. So, guys, just please do yourself a favor and stay away from farm probably for the next month. If you're in it already, I'd suggest taking a large profit right now. And then if you want to go ahead and you want to roll the dice and see, and hopefully you can sell for higher, then you know what? Go ahead. You only live once. Go ahead and try and do that. But regardless, guys, thank you for watching the video. Let me know in the comments. Do you agree with me? Do you see any flaws in my argument? I'm pretty open to other people's opinions. But personally, I'm just telling you guys about some lessons that I've learned in the market. And honestly, I suspect that this is just a pump and dump. So leave those comments, leave those questions, concerns, whatever, input in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys are new here. I will see you all in the next video, probably coming out shortly after this one. We might be releasing that at I don't know, maybe 7 p.m., guys. So stay in touch, stay in tune. See you all in the next one. Peace.